Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create multiple Facebook accounts with one Gmail. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So you can basically use one of your emails to create multiple Facebook pages. So for that, just click on the account in here, and then just click on See All Profiles. It's very simple. And now as you can see, you can have different profiles in here by using one email. I already have two, as you can see right over here. So just click on See All Profiles, and then just click on Create New Profile Page. Now from here, and as you can see now, you can actually see a preview of what your page will look like when you actually create it. Now you can just name the page, choose the category, add bio, add any information that you require. You can also preview for the phone as well and the desktop too. So that's basically how you can create multiple Facebook accounts with one Gmail. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.